right. So yesterday we started talking about how the setting is important to the story. It kind of helps my mind understand where the story is taking place. It helps me understand relationships with the people. And so we talked yesterday about Better Than You and then the other side. But as we started reading The Crane Wife, I wanted to add that to our chart because this setting is way different than a setting that we've been looking at. This setting takes place in Japan near the sea. And I want us to think for a minute, like, why is it being that it's in Japan and it's near the sea and it took place in ancient times? That is not set in a time frame of today. So a lot of things are going to happen in this story that happened in the past that probably don't happen today. So think about, because it's in Japan and it's near the sea and it happened in the ancient times, why was that important to this story? Like, why is that setting important? So think about that for just a second. So to me, I think it's because it's important because the main character makes sales with his wife in Japan. And had they not been near the sea, that is not something they would have done. That setting links us to like their jobs, which their job links us to the whole big picture of the story. So had they not been near the sea, they wouldn't have done it. And the ancient times just kind of gets us in a mind frame of these things don't happen these days. And so as you're working on yours, just think about when is the time frame, where is it located, and why are those things important as I'm reading this story? How do they better help me understand my story?